Bitcoin rally, breaking the $118,000 milestone. On July 11, 2025, Bitcoin surged past $118,000, setting a fresh all-time high after a powerful rally that lifted the price by more than 20% since the start of the year. Intraday, it spiked to $118,668 before consolidating, a clear sign that bullish momentum remains strong. What's fueling the rally? Institutional investors piling in. The scarcity of Bitcoin has drawn institutions to accumulate aggressively, aiming for long-term value storage, essentially treating Bitcoin as digital gold. Geopolitical and macroeconomic tailwinds. Heightened global tensions, trade friction, and inflation concerns are driving capital into Bitcoin as a hedge, echoing its rising role as a safe haven asset. U.S. political endorsements. Recent positive signals from the U.S. administration, especially under President Trump, such as the proposal for a strategic Bitcoin reserve, have significantly bolstered investor confidence. Technical analysis and momentum. After a period of tight trading between $100,000 and $110,000, Bitcoin recently broke above technical resistance levels, including ascending above its 10 and 21-day moving averages, signaling solid upward momentum. The next psychological target. Traders are eyeing the $145,000 level by year-end, with some even projecting up to $458,000 by 2030. Volatility and risks ahead. Bitcoin remains highly volatile. It dipped under $80,000 in spring, and a sharp intraday range between $110,761 and $118,668 illustrates its wild swings. If geopolitical tensions escalate, inflation data surprises, or regulatory pressure mounts, sharp pullbacks aren't off the table. While bullish sentiment is dominant, some analysts warn of its speculative nature and potential for sudden reversals. Broader crypto impact. The rally isn't confined to Bitcoin. Major altcoins like Ethereum are also benefiting, climbing several percentage points alongside the flagship crypto. While Ethereum still lags behind its previous highs, investor optimism is clearly spreading throughout the entire crypto ecosystem. Forecast. What comes next? Bull case. If institutional accumulation persists and U.S. policy leans pro-crypto, Bitcoin could test new highs, possibly reaching $140,000 to $160,000 by year-end. Base case. It stays within the current range, $110,000 to $120,000, with periodic spikes driven by supportive news. Bear case. A shock from inflation data or regulatory reversal triggers deeper correction, potentially dragging prices down toward $80,000 to $100,000. A personal perspective. As someone who's been following Bitcoin since its early, chaotic days around $1,000, watching it hit $118,000 feels surreal. Back then, the conversations were mostly about Silk Road, mining on laptops, and skepticism from every corner. Now it's governments and hedge funds joining the party. It's hard not to feel a mix of awe and caution. I've spoken to friends who once dismissed crypto as a fad. Now, they're asking if it's too late to jump in. The truth? Timing is always tricky, but the bigger question is, what are you hoping to get out of it? Whether it's long-term investment, tech interest, or simply curiosity, clarity of intent matters more than catching the exact bottom or top. And if you're feeling both excited and nervous about where Bitcoin is headed, you're not alone. This market moves fast, and it's deeply emotional. But maybe that's part of the thrill, watching history unfold, one block at a time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. More awesome content is coming your way. Stay tuned.